Morning students, I am Narazum as faculty in target expert third 3, you know very well, right? So today we discuss about very important role on your personal life along with in examination point of view and academic sections, right students? So let us introduce simple interest. So first of all, what is interest? Okay, generally interest are two types. Observe carefully students. Interest are two types. Interest are two types. So what are they? That is simple interest and compound interest. Simple interest and compound interest. Today we discuss about only simple interest students, after that compound interest students. So what is simple interest? Okay, so while going to simple interest, we will discuss some important terms. Important terms. So which are the important terms of interest? So okay, first of all observe carefully students. Number one, principal. Principal. Okay, what is principal? What is principal? Observe students. The money borrowed or lent out for a certain period of time. Certain period of time is called a principal or sum. Principal or sum. Okay, I wrote here the definition students, all of you entered in your notebook students, right? The money borrowed or lent out for a certain period of time. Certain period of time is called a principal or sum. Principal or sum students. Okay, it is denoted by P. Is denoted by P. Right students? And go for second. Next one students. All of you must write in your notebook students. Okay. Right. Next important term is interest. After that, what is interest? The additional amount paid by a borrower is called an interest. It is denoted by I. Next one, what is R? R means rate percentage per annum. So the interest agreed to be paid as at a year for year as a percentage is called a rate percentage per annum. It is denoted by the letter is R. Next one student, the principal and interest put together is known as an amount. It is denoted by I. So already first term is completed. I wrote second term students here. Must be right in your notebook. Second term is interest. Yes. Observe. The additional amount paid by a borrower is called an interest. Right? It is denoted by I. It is denoted by I students. Right? Go for the third term, that is rate percentage per annum. Rate percentage per annum. Right. Observe carefully. Right. What? Already I explained. The interest paid by, the interest agreed, the interest agreed, the interest agreed to be paid, the interest agreed to be paid for a year, the interest agreed to be paid for a year as a percentage, as a percentage is known as, is known as rate interest per annum, rate percent, rate percent, rate percentage per annum. Okay, it is denoted by, it is denoted, it is denoted by R. So R percentage, like this, students. Okay, right. Go for fourth one, students. Fourth one. What is fourth? Right. Amount. Total amount, or simply we says that amount. Okay, right. The principal and interest put together is known as an amount. The principal, the principal and interest put together is known as an amount, is known as an amount. It is denoted by, it is denoted by A. It is denoted by A. Okay, students, don't forget it. These are very, very important terms, students. Okay, selecting these, all of you must enter in your notebook, students. Yes, another important term, students. What is the definition of simple interest? Observe, students. If the interest is reckoned uniformly on the original principal throughout the loan period, then the interest is known as simple interest. It is denoted by SI and simply I, students. Okay, I wrote here the definition. Observe carefully. If the interest is recorded on the uniformly on the original principal throughout the loan period, then the interest is known as simple interest. Is known as simple interest. Okay, students, right, observe carefully. It is denoted by, okay, simple interest, simply, okay, it is denoted by, SI or I. So I for interest already we said, but here we are taken sometimes SI. So SI we can express in I, students. Okay, we discussed here. I repeat the important terms. First one is principal. The money borrowed or lent out for a certain period of time is known as principal. It is denoted by the letter is P. Next, interest. The additional amount paid by a borrower is known as interest. It is denoted by the letter is I. Isn't it? Right. Next, the third term is rate of interest, rate percentage per annum. Rate percentage per annum. Here observe, the interest agreed to be paid per year as a percentage is known as rate percentage per annum. It is denoted by the letter is R, percentage, or simply R. Okay. Next one, the principal and interest. The principal and interest put together is known as amount or total amount. It is denoted by the letter is A, capital A, students. And next one, fifth term is simple interest. Okay. So if the interest is reckoned uniformly on the original principal throughout the loan period, then the interest is known as simple interest. It is denoted by SI. That is better, students. It is denoted by SI. So here, observe the formulas one by one, students. Here, therefore, simple interest SI equal to formula PTR by 100. PTR by 100. Okay. So in that, observe, students. So SI equal to PTR by 100 means here unknown terms are 4 is there. PTR and also SI, student. If you know any three of terms, we can find fourth term also easily, students. Right. In that, observe carefully. We create one more formulas. First P, students. Here 100 is divisible. When sent to the right side becomes multiplied. Therefore P equal to, here observe carefully, SI into 100. SI into 100 by TR. SI into 100 by TR. Isn't it or not? Next one. Second one. Okay. If you interchange the T and the P, we can get T formula, students. That is T equal to SI into 100. SI into 100 by PR. Okay. Next, in that R and P is interchanging, and go for third formula. That is R equal to SI into 100. SI into 100 by PT. SI into 100 by PT. These are the formulas for simple interest, principal, T, and also R relation, student. After that, what about the total amount formula, students? Okay, all of you must write in your notebook. Right, observe, students. Total amount, simply I said amount also, student. Total amount is denoted by the letter is A. A equal to. So observe the definition. Principal and interest put together. That means principal P plus interest. Interest means here we have taken SI. Okay. P plus SI. Then that implies, which implies P plus, what about the SI formula? Once revise in your mind, students, that formula SI equal to PTR by 100. So that is PTR by 100, students. Observe in both terms, P as a common factor. When P as a common factor, then P of 1 plus TR by 100. 1 plus TR by 100. Isn't it? Then that implies, this is the final formula, students. Then total amount A equal to P of 1 plus TR by 100. Okay. So if you know the three terms, automatically we find fourth term also, students. So don't forget SI formula along with total amount formula, students. Right? Let us discuss about some related problems. Okay. Yes, observe first of all problem, students. If P equal to 45 rupees, T equal to 3 years, and R equal to 5%. Here T for time, you know very well. Then find I. I means here simple interest taken, students. Okay. So observe the solution carefully. Solution given. I equal to formula PTR by 100. PTR by 100. We know P value, T value along with R value, student. Substitute in that formula, we can get interest, student. Then that implies, so principal value, that is 45 rupees and time period, time means 3 years, rate of percentage 5 by 100 students. Isn't it? Right. Observe carefully, strike it out. 5 1 is 5, 5 20 is 100. So in this problem, calculations or strike offs are very very important, students. So be concentrate more in the solutions of the problems. Okay. Next one. 5 9 is 45, 5 4 is 20. Right. So finally it becomes 3 9 is 27 by 4. 27 by 4. It becomes, okay, 4 6 is 24. 4 6 is 24. Remaining students, 3 by 4. 6 3 by 4 rupees. 6 3 by 4 rupees. Approximately we have taken 6 rupees, students. Approximately 6 rupees. This is the solution of given problem. Right. Observe the problem carefully, students. If R equal to 5%, T equal to 2 years, I equal to 50 rupees, then find P. So observe P formula, already we discussed application, student. P equal to SI into 100 by TR. Is it or not? Right. Apply here. So solution given. Solution given. So what the given? Observe carefully. So we find P. P equal to SI nothing but I into 100 by TR. I into 100 by TR, students. So which implies I value nothing but 50. So 50 into 100 by time period, that is 2 years, and rate of interest per annum, rate percentage, that is 5, students. Okay, right, observe. 2 5s are 10. So 10 ones, 10 10, students. Finally 50 into 10, it becomes 500. So 500 is the principal or sum. Principal or sum. This is the solution of given problem, students. Right. Right. Observe, analyze the problem carefully, students. If P equal to 60 rupees, T equal to 2 years, I equal to 3 rupees, then find R. Rate percentage per annum. Right. Observe carefully. Once memorize the formula, students, don't forget it. Solution given. Then here R equal to I into 100 by PR. I into 100 by PT, students. I into 100 by PT, which implies, right, I value 3 rupees. 3 into 100 by next P value, principal, it is 60 rupees. 60 into next time period, 2 years, students. Okay, right, observe carefully. Here 1 0 1 0 get cancelled. 3 ones, 3 twos. Okay, next 2 ones, 2 5s. 2 ones, 2 5. That is finally 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means it becomes 2.5 percentage. 2.5 percentage. This is the solution of given problem, students. Right. If P equal to 1875 rupees, R equal to 12%, I equal to 675 rupees, then find T, students. So here we can get interest means 675 rupees means observe the principal interest. It is big values, right? How to find the time? Okay, same procedure, apply the formula. Therefore, T equal to directly I into 100 by PR. I into 100 by PR, students. Which implies, right, I value equal to 675 into 100 divided by P value 1875 into R, rate of interest means 12%, students. Okay, right. So observe carefully how to cancel, right. Both of them observe in the units place digit is 5. So start off with 5, students, isn't it? Right. Observe carefully. 5 3s are 15. Right. 5 7s are 35. 5 5s are 25. Here observe. So 5 1 is 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 5s are 25. Okay, friends. Right. Next one. 5 7s are 35. 5 5s are 25. Here 5 2s is 10. 5 7s are 35. Next one, friends. Okay. 3 4s are 12. 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. Right, student. 4 ones, 4 25s. Next one. 25 ones, 25 3 students. 25 threes. Finally, here 9 by 3. Okay. So again 3 ones, 3 threes. Finally, it becomes 3 years. 3 years. Okay. Strike terms very important, students. Okay. Right. Finally, we can get time equal to 3 years is the final solution. Right, and also observe, students, a different problem, that is find the interest on 2,400 rupees at 6% per annum for 146 days given, student. In previous problems we have taken years directly, but here days, students. The time is included in days, so convert into years, students. 1 year equal to how many days? In generally 365 days, students. Right, observe carefully here. Solution given. Solution given. First, what they given identified in that problem. So here principal P equal to 2,400 rupees. 2,400 rupees. Next, R, rate of interest rate percentage per annum equal to 6%, and also time equal to how much given? That is 146 days, students. 146 days. So convert into year, that is 146 by 365. 365 year, that is correct way, students. Okay, then apply the formula. Therefore, I equal to PTR by 100. I equal to PTR by 100. Isn't it? Right. So substitute the value, students, in that. So here which implies P value. P equal to 2,400 into next 6% into next one. How much here? 146 by 365. 146 by 365. And also into 100 into 100. Isn't it all? Okay. So which implies, observe the cancellation carefully. 2 zeros get cancelled. Okay. Next one. Is it possible to cancel or not? Check it, students, once. So not possible. Just 5. Okay. 24 into 6 into 146. Observe. 5 7s are 35. 5 3s are 15. Okay. Better to. So 24 into remaining 6 into 146. 146 by 365. 365. So do the product, students. Here it is. 6 into 24. 6 4 24, 6 2 12, and 144, students. 144 into 146. That is 6 4 24, 6 4 24, 26, 6 1 is 6, 8. Next one. So 4 4 16. 4 4 is 16, and also 17, 6 1 4, 1 is 4, 5. Next 144. So 4, 12, 16, 20, 9, 11. So 21,024. 21,024 by 365. 365. And also do division, students. Do division, you can get the result finally. Okay, aside do the rough work, students. 365. And also 21,024. Okay, so observe 4 terms as they directly. 7 3 is 21. So possible to 6. 6 5 is 30. 6 6 is 36, 39. 6 3 is 18, 21. 2190, also not possible, students. Take 5 times. So 5 times. And do rough work, students. We can get the result finally. Okay. Yes, if do rough work, students, here finally 57.60 rupees. 57.60 rupees. This is the solution of given problem, students. Okay, right. All of them must practice carefully. Right. Once analyze the problem carefully, students. Here, calculate the simple interest on 7,200 rupees at 12.3/4% per annum for 9 months. So first one year is given, first model, second model days are given. Here time is months given, students. Months. Okay. So in a year, how many months are there? 12 months. We know very well all of you. Okay, students. Right. Observe carefully. Solution given. Solution given. Yes. Principal P equal to. Okay. We have taken here, students. Principal P equal to 7,200 rupees. Next, rate of interest R equal to 12.3/4, students. So it is mixed fraction, convert into improper. Okay, 12 4 is 48, 48 for plus 3, 51. So that is 51/4 percentage. Next, time T equal to 9 months given, students. 9 months. Convert into year, that is 9/12 year. 9/12 year. Then apply the formula, students. Simple interest I equal to PTR by 100. PTR by 100. Right. So observe carefully aside, which implies P. How much P value here? 7,200. 7,200 into time. Time 9/12. Time is 9/12 into R. Rate of interest per annum, that is 51/4. 51/4 by 100. So we have taken here 100, students. Okay, this is the value, students. So here 2 zeros get cancelled. Next one, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Okay, next cancel 4, 4 1 is 4, 4 8s are 32, 4 8s are 32. Next one, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 80, 2 9s are 80. Right, friends. Next one, it becomes 3 9s are 27 into 51. So 27 into 51. 7 7 5s are 35 into. Next one, 2 1 is 2, 2 5s are 10. 7 7 3 1. 1377 by 2. 1377 by 2. Okay, so it becomes 2 6 are 12, 2 8 is 16, and also 2 8 is 16.25 are 10. So 688.50 rupees. 50 rupees. This is the solution of given problem, students. Okay, so if it is given year, months, days also, how to calculate? So observe this problem, students. Right. Observe carefully, student. This problem total given in words, students. If principal is 250 rupees and rate of interest is 4%, rate of interest per annum, rate percentage per annum, both are same, students. And find the simple interest for 6 years. Okay. Observe directly, students. Solution given. Solution given. So same procedure. P equal to 250 rupees, and also here rate of interest R equal to 4%. Next, time equal to 2 years given. Okay. Then simple interest SI equal to formula. SI equal to PTR by 100. Okay. So already this model problems are completed, students. But if it is given in words, how to solve them? Like this, I taken this problem, students. So that is 250 into time 2 years for into 4 by 100. Okay. 0 0 get cancelled. Right. 2 1s, 2 5s, 5 1s, 5 5s. When it becomes 5 4 20. So 20 rupees is the final solution, students. This is the way of approachment of the solution.